Hey everybody, something new, yay! I just learned this recently because I just finally paid attention, but let's say you want your words to be animated. How do you do that? It's gotta be some super complicated thing, right? No. Watch this. I want, let's say, action flip. Wow. Let's say you want that wow to go a little slower, or a lot slower. Let's max it out. That's as long as it let me go. Again, control, use mouse to stretch it out to make it go longer. Just wow. Hey, how you doing? I mean, it's that easy. Like they have it preset in there. Amazing. Let's make that. Will 66 fit? Yes, it will. I don't know why it does that. Like it'll switch over to like whatever screen's behind it. It's weird. But all right, let's say if we wanted to fly in from right. And again, you want to stretch that out. Just click, drag. Amazing. Yeah, she's from Venture Brothers. And I think that's a Mercy or Jinx, something like that from Overwatch. I don't play the game. But I think I've seen that character before. But it's amazing what all you can do with it. Nice. Oh, let's see. Have I tried twisting? Because some of them look cool, others not so much. Yeah, that went in way too quickly. Let's make that. Ta-da! Nice. Yeah, but Vegas Pro 14 gives you so many different options. They really made it idiot proof. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. And then make these tutorials super short. So it doesn't take too long for you guys to get through them. Let's see, what's the last one I want to do? Earthquake? Have I done that one before? That's pretty cool. Oh, wait, let's go start the beginning. The end. Yay. Easily amused. I could totally do a video like this and add some music to it, and voila! You guys have a quick video with you going, hello, nurse. In this case, Supergirl. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Super quick and easy, just the way I like it. That's what she said. As always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.